Imagine luxury, innovation, and freedom all rolled into one exquisite home on wheels. Welcome to the Mercedes Benz Rapido 996M, a motorhome that redefines RV living with a game-changing bathroom layout unlike anything you've ever seen. Join us as we explore this icon of mobile elegance, where every inch has been designed with precision and passion. Whether you're a full-time traveler or the weekend adventurer, the Rapido 996M offers a sanctuary on wheels. In this video, we're diving deep into what makes this luxury motorhome truly unique, focusing on the innovative, spacious, and highly functional bathroom layout. You've never experienced convenience and comfort quite like this. When it comes to motorhomes, space is king, and nowhere is that more critical than the bathroom, often the most cramped and overlooked area during design. Most RV bathrooms sacrifice style for function or vice versa, but the Rapido 996M strikes an unmatched balance. The dry area features a sleek ceramic toilet with built-in bidet functionality, a vanity unit with integrated sink, backlit mirror, and high-grade fixtures, thoughtful storage solutions with soft closed drawers and ambient lighting. Rapido's innovative use of space maximizes privacy, hygiene, and luxury. Unlike traditional RV bathrooms that cram everything into one wet space, this design offers true separation to keep the living area fresh and dry.
Our priority was to combine German engineering excellence from Mercedes-Benz with user-centric design. We asked, how can we create a bathroom space that feels indulgent but efficient? The 996M's layout is the answer. From a traveler's perspective, this layout changes everything. It transforms the motorhome experience by delivering comfort that rivals stationary homes, a major selling point for those who live or vacation on the road. Built on a Mercedes-Benz chassis, the Rapido 996M carries engineering prowess that sets it apart. But the bathroom itself is no less of a marvel. Advanced water recycling systems ensure eco-friendly usage. Heated floors and towel racks add ambient warmth. High-quality materials like Corian countertops and antimicrobial surfaces enhance hygiene and durability. LED mood lighting adjusts to your preferences, turning your bathroom into a relaxing retreat after a long day on the road. Luxury isn't just skin deep, it's built into every pipe, every tile.
Imagine waking up, stepping into a bathroom that doesn't feel like a compromise. You have space, privacy, and sophistication. That's what the Rapido 996M offers, a lifestyle upgrade. The Mercedes Benz Rapido 996M is not just an RV, it's a statement that luxury, ingenuity, and freedom can coexist beautifully. Its unique bathroom layout is the icing on an already exquisite cake. Ready to elevate your traveling experience? Discover more about the Rapido 996M's innovative design and exclusive features by visiting your nearest Mercedes-Benz or Rapido dealership today. Don't just dream about luxury living on the road, live it. Here's the truth. A luxurious motorhome must deliver comfort in all aspects, including a bathroom that feels, well, like a bathroom you'd find in a top-tier hotel. So what makes the Rapido 996M's bathroom so revolutionary? It boasts a fully separate wet and dry area, a rarity in RVs. The shower compartment is spacious with a curved glass door for an open, airy feel. Step inside the Rapido 996M's bathroom and you immediately notice the expansive feel. Unlike conventional motorhomes where the bathroom is often a single cubicle shoehorned near the rear or middle of the coach, Rapido's design offers a reimagined floor plan that maximizes spatial flow. Here's the standout feature, a wet area and dry area concept. The shower sits behind this beautifully curved tempered glass door, designed to provide an open feel while preventing water from spilling into the dry zone. This innovation means you can maintain a clean, dry vanity and toilet area even after a refreshing shower. The toilet is a masterpiece of compact luxury. Made from high-grade ceramic, it includes an integrated bidet function and a silent flush feature, elevating hygiene to new heights. For your convenience, the vanity unit features a custom-sized sink with touch-sensitive faucets and an ambient backlit mirror that adds an elegant glow, perfect for morning routines and nighttime wind-downs. Storage drawers below are equipped with soft close mechanisms designed to reduce noise and damage. Heating elements underfoot ensure that cold mornings don't dampen your spirit. Combine this with heated towel racks, and you have a bathroom environment that's not only functional, but indulges your senses. In essence, Rapido took the challenge of limited space and turned it into an opportunity to innovate, delivering a bathroom that rivals luxury stationary homes while maintaining full mobility and convenience.